Morning Friday off to a nice quiet start, but over the weekend, Michelle breaking out her snowfall accumulation map for the potential for that, but also rain and wind, just kind of a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we got a lot of details to get to, Patrick, and giving you that heads up with that alert that we issued for today ahead of this storm. This morning, as we look in Narragansett, the clouds already starting to stream in. We'll see some filtered sunshine off and on throughout the morning hours today, then trending mostly cloudy by the afternoon and evening, with eventually some light showers pushing in. It's dry right now, middle 40s in Providence, winds from the south-southwest at 7 miles per hour. It's mild at the coastline, close to 50 degrees, lower 40s in Smithfield and Willimantic. Northeastern Connecticut has been the chilly spot this morning in the middle 30s. Already a little bit of activity on the radar. Again, it's not really till after 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon that we'll start to bring in a chance for some spotty light showers and sprinkles. Nothing that's going to cause any major issues for you through the night tonight. So we'll keep our threat tracker in the green for today. But Saturday, heads up for those stormy conditions. We are going to see another round of gusty winds, with the wind gusts right now forecast to be between about 40 and 50 miles per hour for most of our area. Higher out to the Cape, I would expect only to see some isolated damage and power outages possible. Heavy rain a concern, 1 to 2 inches with some higher amounts. That's going to lead to some localized street and poor drainage flooding again. And then, yeah, there's some snow in the forecast. So looking at a mix with or change to some snow, especially inland spots north and west of Providence late afternoon and evening tomorrow. This morning, though, it's going to be dry and temperatures into the 50s by 10 a.m. 53, 55 at lunchtime today. Clouding up as we head through the afternoon and evening hours, with some light showers tending to move in. 51 degrees by 4. And at 6 o'clock, we're in the upper 40s. Showers will become more widespread as the night goes on, especially well after midnight. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, we are looking at rain, temperatures in the 40s early on in the day tomorrow. Here's our storm system. It's going to turn into a rapidly intensifying storm that passes very close to or a little southeast of Nantucket during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. On that path, we are going to see still mostly rain in Rhode Island, but it may be strong enough and just cold enough to see a flip over to some snowfall. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast, and this is through lunchtime today. Notice the dry skies, but then in the late afternoon and evening, some of those showers pushing in. The rain will continue to be off and on during the evening and early part of the night, and then Saturday morning, 8 a.m., that's some heavy rain falling, and that rain will continue into the first and early part of the afternoon. Then as the afternoon goes on, we're expecting to see a mix with and change over to some snowfall, again, especially north and west of Providence, where the temperatures are going to be cooling into the 30s. South and east still in the 40s over the Cape Islands and Newport. And then as the afternoon goes on, those temperatures continue to hold right around the middle 30s. So we're really borderline for supporting some accumulating snow, but we're thinking it'll be coming down heavy at times, and where it flips over to the snowfall first, that's where our higher snowfall accumulations will be. It's a real tricky snowfall forecast. A little shift in the track to the east or west could make a big difference in these numbers. So definitely check back in with us. But the early call is for a few inches of wet snow to the north and west of Providence. Most of us end up with a coating to an inch, maybe 2 inches of slush on mostly the grass and car tops until the sun goes down. So winter storm watch issued for areas to the north of us. A high wind watch over the Cape and Islands with those higher wind gusts expected in that area. This is for Saturday afternoon and evening. In the 7-day forecast, we're back to dry weather on Sunday. It'll be partly to mostly sunny, but brisk and chilly.